Writing Task 2. Band 9 Score Model Essay with Advanced Vocabulary. Question. These days, more and more people move away from the area where they were born and brought up when they become adults. Do the advantages of this development outweigh the disadvantages? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Model Answer 1. Nowadays, a growing number of individuals choose to relocate from their hometowns once they reach adulthood. This migration trend has both positive and negative implications for individuals and society as a whole. This essay will explore the advantages and disadvantages of this development and opine that the benefits of this trend outweigh the drawbacks. One significant advantage of people moving away from their place of birth is the opportunity for personal and professional growth. By relocating to new cities or countries, individuals can access better educational institutions, job prospects, and career advancement opportunities. For instance, a young graduate who moves to a major metropolitan area may find more diverse job options and higher earning potential, enhancing their overall quality of life. Furthermore, moving away allows individuals to experience different cultures, traditions, and lifestyles, fostering open-mindedness and adaptability. Exposure to diverse environments can broaden one's perspective and enhance their ability to embrace change. On the other hand, relocating far from one's hometown can lead to feelings of isolation and homesickness. Being away from family, friends, and familiar surroundings may cause emotional distress and a sense of disconnection. For example, an elderly person who moves to a different country to be with their children may struggle to adapt to the new culture and language, affecting their mental well-being. Moreover, migration can contribute to the depopulation and neglect of rural areas. As young adults leave their hometowns, there may be a decline in economic activities, leading to fewer resources allocated to these regions. In my opinion, the development is far more beneficial than detrimental. The positive potentials that this migration trend brings are substantial, while the negative aspects of it could be addressed effectively to minimize their effects. In conclusion, the trend of relocating to other places has significant benefits and a few drawbacks. It is expected that with collaborative efforts, the process would be even smoother and the transition made easier to cope with. Model Answer 2. In recent years, it has become increasingly common for people to move away from their hometowns in their adulthood to seek better careers, living standards, or opportunities. This trend has both advantages and disadvantages, and in this essay, I will discuss both while also opining that it has more demerits than advantages. On the one hand, there are several benefits to moving away from one's hometown. Firstly, it provides individuals with greater opportunities for personal and professional growth. For example, moving to a larger city or a different country can offer access to better education, living standards, job prospects, and cultural experiences. Additionally, living away from one's family and friends can help individuals develop independence and self-reliance. On the other hand, there are also drawbacks to this trend. One disadvantage is that it can lead to feelings of loneliness and isolation. For instance, when people move away from their hometowns, they leave behind their support networks of family and friends. This can be particularly challenging for those who struggle to make new connections in their new location. Furthermore, moving away from one's hometown can also result in a loss of connection to one's cultural heritage and traditions. It is noticeable that these disadvantages are so severe that they eventually overshadow the merits of this trend. In conclusion, while there are some advantages to moving away from one's hometown, there are also disadvantages, such as mental stress and disconnection from one's cultural heritage. It is expected that the state authority and the government would take initiatives to develop rural and remote areas so that such migration becomes less necessary. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.